Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I do apologize in advance for the wind behind me. I'm at the park and it's just very windy, rainy today. Can't be helped. So, speaking of it being annoyed, I'm a little pissed off. For the contest, the boxes are just filling up and I'm running out of space for them. So, I had to upgrade to larger boxes, at least for the grand prize winner. So that just means more stuff. You know, I'm pissed off too. It's just horrendous. Like, God, I gotta have more cool stuff. I know I heard a few like complaints that they don't know what you're gonna be getting, so why can you be excited about it? So I guess I'll put a little spoiler in there. Yeah, every one of the boxes is going to get a Mora. So I have these. I got these at Blade Show. I got these Mora blades, which Mora's a good knife, great reputation. So I got two of those babies, and then I got the Mora Companion as well. Now I won this in the MI Woodsman's giveaway, and I already have one. So I guess you couldn't see because of the wrapper. So we'll just have to open it up. So, Mora Companion. Which I can't get out. There we go. Brand spanking new. Not even used. In fact, none of these knives have been used. Except for opening the package. But so, every box, no matter what, will get a Mora. So, if you're not entered in the contest, comment below. I'll link that video has been linked to my channel for a while, so just check in the description box and the link is there. Go there, say I'm in. If you want to do a video response for the grand prize, for the main win, and first pick, I should say, of the larger, which I'm going to have to go buy more stuff now. Which I think I'm going to do this coming weekend because I think the weather is going to be a total douche. So, yeah, so I'll just put something else in there that's cool. And yeah, so I hope you win, and getting closer to the mark. Things have slowed down a little bit, but hopefully with the inclusion of knives, there may be a little peak in interest, hopefully. Still trying to get there. So like and share the video, post it on your social media pages, whatever. Sub and if you've made a video and I haven't seen it or watched it or added it to my playlist, which will be below, link it to me and let me know that you did it and I'll go check it out. So, I may not be subbed to everyone's channel, it's just unfortunate, but I can't keep up with all the subs I currently have, and I end up having to not watch videos, which sucks. But I can't squeeze more time out of the day. I can't. I tried making a clone, and I just don't know how to do that. So I do the best I can. I watch when I can, but I just it is what it is. Excuse me. So as always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the winner. And let me know if you made a video, and I'll either link it in the comments below, or just let me know to go check your channel, and I'll go do that, and I'll add you to my playlist. And I got the playlist for the other video entries in there as well, so you can go check them out. Alright? Peace.